In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any web page you're viewing into a scannable code you can share, print, or drop into a document in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Any recent version will work, but keeping Chrome up to date ensures the menu labels you see match what I'm describing. If multiple browsers are installed, double-check that you're actually in Chrome so the options appear where you expect. Next, navigate to the website or specific web page you want to share. The QR code you create will point to the exact URL that's in your address bar, so take a moment to land on the right page. If it's a page behind a login or contains temporary parameters, remember that others may need access or the exact URL for it to load correctly when they scan it. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. This is where Chrome keeps its browsing tools and sharing options. If your window is very narrow, you might need to maximize it to see everything clearly. From this menu, hover your mouse over the area labeled Save and Share. In some versions of Chrome, you may simply see a Share section or a similar label grouped near options like Cast. Hovering there expands a submenu that contains the tools you need. If you don't immediately see it, pause your cursor for a moment so the submenu can open. In the expanded options, click Create QR Code. Chrome will open a small panel that automatically generates a QR code for the page you're on. You'll see a preview of the code appear right away. This is ready to use as is, and it's a quick way to let someone scan from their phone without typing a long address. If you've changed the page or navigated somewhere else, make sure the address shown in the panel matches what you want to share. Finally, choose how you want to use the code. If you select Copy, Chrome places the QR code image on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a slide deck, or a document. If you choose Download, Chrome saves a PNG file to your computer, which is perfect for printing or keeping in a project folder. Before sharing widely, test the code by pointing your phone's camera at it to confirm it opens the right page. For best results when printing, keep the image clear, use good contrast, and avoid shrinking it too small so scanners can read it easily. And that's all it takes to create a QR code in Chrome quickly and confidently.